Hey y'all, it's Shanae and I'm back with another video. I was sitting out here outside in the backyard and I was looking at the garden and I noticed like the leaves on my lettuce have grown some more. It's time to do some cutting on the lettuce. I'm going to turn around so you can see it. As you can see, the lettuce is growing. It's getting bigger, so I'm and do the cut and come again method. I need to get me a bowl really quickly out of the house first, but I'm going to cut the lettuce down and allow it to keep growing. Here you can see I am cutting out the outer leaves on my lettuce plants. I'm careful to only cut the outer leaves and not the inner crown part of the leaves. That's where the lettuce is going to keep growing, and I can come back for more lettuce once the inside of that lettuce has grown up a little bit more. But that is me cutting the outer layers, the ones that are already pretty thick, so I can enjoy that. As you can see, I left a few leaves on the outer parts of the crown. I grabbed only a little bit, but it's definitely a lot. It's enough for a salad. So I'm going to wash this up. All of the lettuce that I pulled today, it's about probably 2 to 3 small salads that I can make with that lettuce. I'm going to wash it and get it clean for dinner. After I wash my lettuce, I just sit it on some paper towels just to catch the excess water and it doesn't weigh down the lettuce and let it become wilted. So I just wrap that up and I'm going to put that in the fridge and enjoy that salad later on today. Thank y'all so much for watching my video. I went on ahead and washed the lettuce and put it in the refrigerator so it could cool. And yeah, I'll be enjoying that salad tomorrow, or probably tonight for dinner. Thank y'all again for watching the video. Like and subscribe, and I'll talk to y'all soon. Bye.